Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. It's me, Moody. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you're new here, then go ahead and click that subscribe button down below. I really don't want to ramble. Like, I really don't want to ramble because y'all already know why I'm here. I already know why y'all here. Check it, 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 check it. I'm gonna try not to be emotional. Because anybody who knows me knows that Jackie, Auntie Jackie, makeup game on point, pumpkin pie. That's my auntie. My favorite YouTuber. My favorite beauty YouTuber times Anastasia times ABH. Like, this is huge. If you don't know why I'm here, I'm here because Jackie Aina. Jackie, I can't get out the box. Jackie, will y'all look at this? Oh my gosh. So like I was saying, if you don't know, Jackie Aina has came out with a collaboration with Anastasia Beverly Hills. Look at how extra and cute and duochromed the packaging is, and look at her logo. So this is what the palette looks like. It is definitely Jackie Aina. Like, it screams Jackie Aina from the colors to the color names. Like, I'm so excited. She did this for us, y'all. Like, how could you not be excited? Because she literally did this for us. You know, us. You know how you know how the old man be like, they don't want too much us in here. Yeah, she did this for us. Look, like, how could you not? How could you not? I'm so excited. And if you know about Anastasia, you know that their eyeshadows, with the exception of one palette, but their eyeshadow palettes are always bomb. They always are consistent. They always show up really well. The quality is great. So the fact that she collabed with such a great makeup brand, I'm rambling. Let me get into it. Before I actually get into the video, I also want to try out the new Anastasia foundation, the new Anastasia Luminous foundation. Let me do my brows real quick. Should we just do it on camera? Like, should I do everything on camera, you know, since I'm here? I already started or whatever. So I'm gonna start off by doing my eyebrows with the LA Girl, what is this, like a micro pencil something, Shady Slam brow pencil in the color Blackest Brown. I'm just gonna outline my brows first, and then I'm gonna go in with, but of course, my Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade in the color Dark Brown. Quick brow, cute brow. To conceal, I'm using my NARS Soft Matte Cream Concealer. What is it even called? Soft Matte Complete Concealer to clean them up. I'm also going to use this to prime my eye. Although I typically do my eyes first, I'm definitely going to go ahead and do my face. Starting off with the Optical Illusion Primer by Urban Decay. Y'all know that's my jam. My jam. To be honest, I don't know much about the Anastasia foundation. I just know it's a luminous medium coverage foundation. I just got a sample. I got the color 480C. When I did the 490C, it definitely turned kind of red on me. So I'm hoping that this is perfect. I didn't swatch it on my face. I just swatched it on my chest. So here we go. Oh, poop. Y'all, this is definitely not my color. Or is it? Does it oxidize? We're gonna use it today. That's what we are gonna do, is put it on and see where it goes. It is more of a neutral undertone. That's why okay, wait. Too much is going on. Because the more I blend it, for one, it blends in. For two, it doesn't even look like I'm wearing anything. I don't know. But, oh God. my, it's so like luminous. Does it feel thick? No, not at all actually. I'm definitely not feeling this color. I don't know why I just put it on my eyes. I mean, not that it's a... Okay, so I have it on. What do y'all think? Color's not bad. Coverage is barely existent. I honestly have not seen any reviews on it yet, but if anybody is absolutely in love with it, overhyped, period. I'm gonna put on some more because actually I don't even care anymore. And y'all know, like I said, I usually don't do like a full coverage foundation anyways. Like I get my coverage from my concealer and whatnot because my skin's pretty nice. It's very basic. I'm gonna take my Tarte concealer in the color Deep. I'm gonna take a little bit of my NARS Natural Creamy Radiant Concealer, just a little bit. Before I bake, I'm gonna go ahead and go with my bronzer. Today I'm gonna use the Fenty Beauty Bronzer in Coconutty. I honestly have not even gave this a chance. I probably used it one time because I really wanted Mocha Mommy. So, you know, whatever, I'm a little heated. Too late to return it and get another one. This is like so subtle. Such a subtle bronzer on me. Think we're bronzed enough. I'm gonna go ahead and set my under eye, and then we're gonna get started with it. Okay, so now that we got our under eye set, I honestly wanted to stay away from like the pinks and the purples, just because I did want to kind of do a pink and purple look later this week with a Morphe palette, but I might use this one, I don't know. But anyway, and I don't know if I want to do like an everyday kind of look. I kind of want to use this Wiggleese. Wiggleese is jumping at me. I think I know what's going on. I think I know. Up close and personal, y'all. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, but I'm not. Honestly, I love the Anastasia brushes that come with the eyeshadow palettes too. So we're gonna use that, and I am gonna go in with the shade. I'm gonna do ginger first as like, you know, transition, pre-tint transition color. And of course it's gonna have fallout. All of the palettes have fallout, but look at how much it picks up. And I'm gonna just, you know, wiped it on there. I literally just put it on there. Come on now. Ooh. Yes. Look at that shade. Come on. I see you, Ginger. I'm gonna try to incorporate as many colors as I can. Didn't I just say I want to do something wearable? Can they go hand in hand? I kind of like this. Up close. Okay, sorry. So now we're gonna go in with Pinker, which is our real transition, you know? And I'm gonna put that all in. Girl! Jacket! Oh my god. I did just say I didn't want to do a pink look, a pink and purple, but we'll see where we're going. Look at how pretty! So pretty. I'm gonna take my Morphe 505 brush and just kind of go in some more with Pinker. It's a little bit more concentrated, you know? So that's looking bomb. That's looking real bomb. You know, it makes me want to put Big Wig in there. Big Wig, yeah, but I'm not gonna do it. I ain't gonna put Big Wig. I'm gonna put Credits. I mean, can I do both? I did say I was gonna do. No. No. I'm gonna do big wig and my lower lash line. I'm gonna go ahead and go on with credit so I don't make it too purple. Who cares? Whatever. Honestly, I'm out here doing me. And that's what I'm gonna continue to do. But I'm gonna go in with credits. Using my Morphe 507 and kind of concentrate it in that crease and deepen it up. Yes. Do y'all want to see swatches? They are blending so good together though. Like together, they're blending great. Come through, credit. You better give me that definition. Oh my gosh, I have not used a bad shade since, and I'm not just saying that because I love Jackie. I'm gonna take edges and just throw it on there. Use code EDGES at morphe.com for 10% off. If you didn't know, now you know. Whoa. I'm sorry, edges just made me do that. on me, edges just made me do that. I don't know what's in this color, but baby, it snatched them. I did say I want to use Wiggly's, but the more I continue to look at this color, I kind of want to go in with Lituation or Zam. I'm really looking at Lituation. Let me see what it swatched like. Oh, I like that. Do it again. Now we got these sponsored because I feel like they're gonna be so pretty together. Yo. Okay, random swatch. You know what? I'm gonna do sponsored. And that's that. On the lid. Oh, wow. Jackie! The disrespect. Okay, the disrespect from this camera. Once again, it told me that it was too high. So I went on and I did this eye, and y'all, first of all, I don't think y'all understand how ecstatic and pleased I was with sponsor. Oh my god, it was like butter. I didn't cut my crease or nothing, but it literally glided like butter. I'm so glad I went with that color. But I'm gonna go ahead and kind of show you what I did. I went in with sponsored, and I just packed it on the lid and kind of, you know, like that. So then I took credit with my M507, and I just kind of took it a little bit above where it was originally, so it kind of goes around sponsored, you know, focusing it on the outer V as well. And then I kind of took my 505 with edges and pinker. Just to kind of brighten, you know? Like, let's be real. Boom. Now I'm gonna take pinker and brush sets on my bottom lash line. And then I'm gonna take a little bit of big wig and put it on that outer section. That's a nice purple too, honey. Look at how, I didn't mean to be sultry. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to be sultry. I didn't mean to be sultry. Oh, Jackie. Auntie. Now, do I want to go in with Zoilas or Trust Issues on my tear duct? Zoilas. Let's do Trust Issues. Yes. I'm going to add some California blush by Benefits. You know, I'm going to take my Mario Badescu Rose Water. Help everything melt. Okay. Before I put on my highlights. And for my highlighter, I'm going to be using Milani Strobe Light highlighter. There is that though. Ooh. Ooh. This is the Makeup Revolution Matte Hustle. Y'all already knew I was gonna do a nude lip anyway, so don't act surprised. And then I'm gonna go on it with Corset by NYX. And then I'm gonna go on top of it with Creme Brulee by NYX. Do you hear me? Morphe setting spray. And that, guys, is gonna conclude this look. Tell me what you think. Alright guys, so that is the end of my first impressions / demo video on the Jackie Aina Tom's Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. Like, oh, I'm about to cry on makeup. Oh god, okay. Don't cry. Do I recommend this palette? Wholeheartedly, 100% yes. Like, and I'm not just saying that because I'm not just saying that because I love Jackie Aina, which I do, which, you know, is kind of why I bought it. But honestly, I do feel like if Jackie Aina's name was not on this palette, I would most certainly still purchase it because the colors in it are phenomenal. It's really good for a lot of different looks. It's really good for everyday wear, plus a little bit of extra, a little bit dramatic, which is perfect. It is for us, by us. Anybody can use it, don't get me wrong. Please don't feel offended by that by any means. This palette is for everybody. Any shade can use it, but especially my chocolate sisters out there, my chocolate queens, my brown queens, my brown goddesses. Y'all definitely go out and purchase this palette. Support Jackie, support the movement. Now about the foundation, honestly, I don't have a lot to say at all. It's like just here. I don't know. Do I recommend it? Probably not. And that's just me being honest. I don't know. It's just not doing anything for me. Mainly. It doesn't feel heavy though. It is very weightless. I don't know if it is buildable. I don't know if I didn't build enough. I'm definitely going to try it more than just today, so please don't take this as like my review. Just take this as my first impression. If you guys enjoyed this video, then definitely give me a huge thumbs up. Go check out Jackie's channel and her videos and her palette. If there's anything you guys want to see from me, please let me know down below. I'm definitely going to be bringing some more videos. I'm just sitting on a bunch of them. Yeah, and I will see you guys in my next video.